Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try something that we talked about with Crafty Devil. This is she has her channel. I will put a link in the description too, so you can check her channel too. Just a second, because I forget some paints, I think. She did an experiment. She drew a star instead of circles, spirals, or flowers to get a shape of a flower. So I decided that I want to try this too, and I will. I'm just okay. I think that I have my paints now, or my paints that I want. So I will start with Prussian blue, and I will do this, and then I have this metallic silver. I hope that I don't have too much paint, too many colors. And next I have Arctic blue. It's very light blue. Oops. And then I will do this metallic blue. Oops. And Ocean blue, and I think that I didn't do this in right order, but I can help it now. And phthalo blue. This the last one was phthalo, and this is phthalo. And maybe I will add the gold here in the middle, metallic gold. And I think that I want to do some leaves, and I will just try to pop these bubbles with my skewer. I have a blob here. I just have to remove it just a second because I didn't use it for a while, so then you get blobs on these squeeze bottles. I must admit that I like it in the way that it's easier to layer the paints, but I like to mix my paints. It's so relaxing for me, so sometimes I miss mixing before I do a pour. And I will add some metallic here in the middle too. Maybe a little more of this tail of cyan green, turquoise. So let's see what we will get out of this one. Maybe I will spread paint like this today, not in circles. And let's leave this. I don't like it, so I will redip this. And I don't like it again, because I get just, I don't know, some kind of blob here in the middle. She get really nice flower shape, but I don't. What can I do? See? Maybe this will work, I don't know. And I have to add some paint here. Let's torch this a little bit. I just get some weird effects that I don't know why. But I think that I will leave it like it is. And see what will happen when this will dry. So I will take you for a close-up. Some nice effects, but not what I was going for. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!